Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jillian, and we're still here in Dubai. So for today, please join me to give our video reaction to this trending video on Facebook. So please watch first and listen. This one.
God, there's a lot of trash. Just low tide. Just the low tide trash. Low tide. Look at that. That's just low tide. Let me show you. Hey, show those two bags. That's the two bags earlier. This is just 5 minutes of low tide, just in our little section. 21 meters long. Mr. Duterte, your fellow Filipino government people, they're laughing at you. They say, oh, he's only one man. He can't do anything. He's not here in the province. You're paying, what's it called? The dock, what's the shore patrol called? What's the shore patrol called? Bantay Dagat? Bantay Dagat. Bantay Dagat. They're just sitting in their office. They're collecting a paycheck. Look at this, 5 minutes. Hey, Jollibee, McDonald's. There's 3 straws in this pile of shit. It's mostly plastic bags and plastic bottles. What are you doing? This is your country. This is your pride. Why a foreigner have more pride in your country than you? Shame on you. Shame on you. You send me back. Yeah, I'm a foreigner. Send me back to the USA. It's not solve your problem. This is ridiculous. 5 minutes of low tide only. 5 minutes. Low tide. 5 minutes. I collect these things. Shame on you Filipinos. It's your responsibility. It's everybody's responsibility. Take care of this earth and this sea. How much fish you eat? This is all from the sea. That's a lot. This bag, these plastic bags, they look like these plastic bags in the water look like a jellyfish. The jellyfish is what the sea turtle eat. If this thing says a jellyfish, it's died. Yeah. Okay. This is only 5 minutes of garbage at low tide. Just in my area, only 21 meters long. How much the rest of the country? Shame on you Filipinos. You have no respect for your own country. You have no self-respect. You're not disciplined. Fix it. Shame on you. Wait, also there, oh look, that's a lot of trash right there. Yeah, ours is the cleanest. Shame on you. Are they all mostly like fucking idiots? Mostly like, Then you cry because no fish. You're killing the fish. You're killing yourselves. You're just too stupid. A foreigner have to clean it up. Fucking stupid. No discipline. Same with the driving. No discipline. Look at this. Ridiculous. Is your Filipino pride? Is your Filipino pride? It's a lot of trash. Yeah, kick the foreigners out. They only want the best for you. You don't even want the best. You don't give a fuck. It's your country, you dummy. It's your food sources. It's your livelihood. Stupid. It's just in our area only, babe, right? 21 meter only. And low tide? Low tide. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's all clean. You're a joke. How about there, huh? It's all trash right there. All trash. All mostly plastic. Plastic. All the way there. Just that area only. We just go here like every weekend for cleaning our yard, but mostly your Bantay Dagat is too scared to enforce any laws. Same with your PMP, no one's enforcing laws. It's ineffective. So nothing's changed. Even President Duterte, he's very stricto. But you're in Manila, you're not here. They don't care about you. They ignore you. It's because it's only one people. Ang kano collecting trash.
Now, I want to show this American man. He was wondering, what about the rest of the seashores? He was complaining because just 21 meters of his area, it's already dirty. What about the rest of the country? Yeah. So, means he didn't see the rest of the country. So, I want to share him or show him the rest of the seashores of the country and Philippines in the country, so he can see what is going on there. This video is new, it's from my friend. I asked him if I can make it a review and he said okay. So if this American man watching my reaction video, please take a look at this. This is our ocean now. See, it's our Filipino fishermen. Our Philippine oceans, very blue. Look. And clean. They are going to catch a fish with net. And we'll show him also that there's a lot of fresh fish, not dying like what he was saying. So this is to show the rest of the seashore that he haven't seen because he's too busy cleaning the 21 meters of his area. So that's it. And then I'm supposed to give my reaction to this video the day that it was trending, but I'd been busy to my work, so I forget. It's maybe 2 or 3 days now. I remember I'd like to make a reaction video about this, but when I visited his page again, see what I read there. So friends, you can also visit his page, so you can know the full story. Okay, his Facebook page is Vashling. Yeah. So we'll see now what happened to his Facebook page. His Facebook page now black. Look. Maybe you can't read it like this, so I will read it for you. This is the notice for him, yeah, but he posted it. You won't be able to post until 24th of September. This is because you posted things that don't follow our community standards more than once. Learn more about what we remove and some of the reasons why. So that was the message of Facebook to his Facebook page. So obviously, I can't give or say anything about him negative because we saw also his sincerity to clean our Philippine seashores. That's a good thing, and we do appreciate that as a Filipino. He's doing a good job there. Yeah, but I just feel that he exaggerated things. That is why even the Facebook apps also block him. So that is not the update for this trending video. And I think as an immigrant, American immigrant to our country, he must respect our President Duterte because he is under our law. And even the President, he obeyed the law because it is the highest law of the land, our law. Everybody should not be above the law. So I think he must respect at least because even if he is one person, he is the choice of the people. Millions, yani. Filipino voted him. Duterte representing millions of Filipinos. He's not alone. And he is yani, the president. He have the power, he have the authority to make law, to execute, to order, to change, or to give more laws to our country. So anybody stay there, even if you are Filipino or foreigner, you should obey the law. So that is how I feel it. And for those Filipino who are not guilty of throwing garbage in our country like me, because I'm OFW and I'm living here in Dubai for 15 years now, I think it is not also fair to make it a general. This American man should at least name those people who are throwing those garbage because I think it is not really fair. There are also some good Filipinos who are clean and who are organized, yeah, and not throw garbage anywhere. So not all Filipinos like that. And I think even in other countries like here in UAE, I can also see some garbage in their oceans, and it's okay because the government can afford to hire a cleaner, a garbage worker to clean the city or the oceans or the parks or the public places. They can afford to clean. So I think it's not a big deal to hate that much all those Filipino because of that garbage. And of course, in respect to our President Duterte, excuse me, I think he is the only president that cleaned the Manila Bay and the Pasig River. This garbage problem is not a new problem to our country. It's a problem for a decade. So, too much president sit as a president, but they did not pay attention to clean our oceans. Only President Duterte. So, for this, we love him for this job. Really, he restored our oceans. He paid billions of facilities. Yeah, because you cannot clean it with a rake like what this American man is using to clean his yard, his seashores yard. Yeah, you can't clean all the oceans by a rake or by your hand. So our government and the President Duterte, he can pay workers, and he spent a lot of money from our Filipino people, from our taxes, to clean our oceans. So in fairness to his effort and to his job well done, we should also give respect and credit to our President Duterte. So maybe that is the reason also, one of the reason why Facebook apps block him. Because this is also a law. It is against to it is a cyber crime. It's a libel if you are degrading a president or someone on social media. It is cyber crime. So he should be also liable to what he is saying. Yes, he is doing a good thing, but I think that he must also be liable and responsible to what he is saying. He's posting videos on social media, and social media have access worldwide. So that is a false news. He's doing a great job, yes, but it's a false news that all Filipino are lack of discipline and no respect. That is a false news, because not all Filipino, I know some of the foreign countries are Filipino in their own countries, and they can assess also those Filipinos. And even here in UAE, too much Filipinos here, and they will know how Filipino people, they are so clean and so organized. And if there are some Filipino who are messy, dirty, and like stupid as what he was saying in his video, it's just a few, yeah, and we cannot know, and he even don't know who is throwing and not throwing. Maybe it's not also a Filipino citizen, because our country, Philippines, it's there's a lot of nationalities live there. See, he's American and he's in our country as a resident. We have also Chinese, we have also Koreans, British, too much there in Philippines. International citizenship. So he cannot pinpoint that Filipino only the one loitering in our country. We don't know. Maybe it's also American who throw that plastic bag. So he must be specific, and I think he must name those person involved, not just to blah 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 blah. That will cause some trouble also. So I think he's doing a good job. Plus saying a good words, it's more effective than doing a good job and talking bad things. That is so inappropriate, and this will make problem to him, not only to us, to him especially. So that is how I feel about it and how I react about it. And to those who want to give your reaction as a Filipino citizen, or even if you are a foreigner also, please do write your comment below, and on my next vlog I will try to read it so he can understand more, and maybe we can help him to open his mind. Yeah, he have a good heart, but he has narrow mind. So maybe our comment will help him to weigh things over before talking and saying blah 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 things. Thank you for watching with me, and hope to see you next time. Bye.